Hello everyone. Today, we're decoding the July 15th, 2025 YouTube update on monetization and what it means for you creators. Whether you have a small channel or a large one, stay until the end to understand the new rules and my tips to stay in the race. What are the basics of monetization? Nothing new, but essential. To monetize your channel, the criteria remain unchanged. Minimum of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. These thresholds ensure that only authentic and engaged channels gain access to monetization. If you're just starting out, focus on creating quality content to reach these goals. Tip: vary your formats, tutorials, vlogs, shorts, to boost your watch hours. AKOUN is mainly affected by the update. It concerns major channels, end of automated content. This update primarily targets large monetized channels that abuse repetitive content, video loops or rebroadcasts without added value. Mass-produced content generated by automated tools. YouTube aims to promote quality and authenticity. Channels that repost content without creativity or siphon trends without original contribution risk sanctions, partial or total demonetization. Attention! Even small channels should avoid copying and pasting successful content without adding their own touch. 3. Artificial intelligence. How to use it safely. AI is a powerful tool, but YouTube requires human added value. Here's how to stay compliant. Custom editing. Add your style with unique transitions or original visuals. Authentic narration, a voiceover, or personal comments make a difference. Exclusive content. Bring your own analysis, story, or perspective. Example: if you use AI to generate a script, transform it with your tone, anecdotes, or a touch of humor to make it unique. 4. What remains unclear? Hybrid AI. A question divides the community. How does YouTube judge content that combines AI and human creation? Is it 100% AI creation, a hybrid production, or a fully human work? YouTube needs to clarify this point to avoid misunderstandings. In the meantime, focus on transparency. Indicate in your descriptions if you use AI tools and how you add your own value. In summary, what you need to remember: small channels are not directly targeted but must adhere to monetization criteria. Large channels must ban automated or soulless content. For AI, the golden rule is authenticity. Always add a human touch. My advice: double your efforts in creativity and transparency to stand out. YouTube rewards creators who play by the rules. And you, what do you think? How do you manage AI in your creations? And what do you think of this update? Leave your comments below. I will read everything. We'll also discuss it in my next podcast. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for more creator tips. Subscribe to Monsages, because Monsages is interested in daily well-being, which is practicality, the manifestation of wisdom to avoid any stressful context. Like, share, and especially comment so that we can build a collective brain, thoughtful individuals. A YouTube update should teach us to pivot, not panic. See you soon on Monsages.